What is any customized vehicle without a sound system? Welcome to Bench Time Builds. This is Walt, and here's what I have today on the bench. What I have is a AMT 1996 C3500 curbside kit that I did build as a filler project in between me working on my MPC Deserter, which is a handful, lowering the stance and modifying the body to be a 1985 Chevy Silverado. So that being said, this kit, I went ahead and I took the parts that were left over from my stake body build and I put them together. I lowered the stance. I used the rims, tires that were left over. I put a canvas on it. I left it prime black. The inspiration behind this build is a kid in California, just starting out, working at a body shop, making a few bucks, is building his dream truck, which he saw in a trucking magazine. But after working for a while, he got a girlfriend and they're going to have a baby, and now he has to sell his truck. So that was the idea behind it. It was a fun build. At the end of the day, I used a little bit of my imagination, because if you have a lower truck in California and you're customizing it, what is any customized vehicle without a sound system? So basically what I did is I took a micro Bluetooth speaker, I modified the interior tub. I had photos, but I lost the photos. I modified the rear seat, cutting it out, closing it in with styrene, and installing a Bluetooth speaker, which the wiring runs through the back of the cab of the pickup, and in between the frame and the bed, I installed the wiring, ran that to the back of the bed where the main body of the Bluetooth speaker is located, where it can be charged, turned on and off. I'm not great at soldering, so the wiring isn't perfect. But once the canvas is on there, everything is totally hidden. It's not something you have to plug in. As I seen, there was another build. It was a little bit larger. I think it was an RC car or something like that, where you had to actually plug it in through the rear of the vehicle. Wires were hanging out. This, you can take it, place it on the shelf, and put it wherever you want. That's one of the fun parts of building models, is using your imagination. If there's any interest, leave in the comments if you would like to have a full tutorial, which I think I could do that for you guys. But it was fun. Did some added little stuff, as adding the trucking magazine on the dash, which was his inspiration. Again, the for sale sign in the back. The interior was painted up. Again, I had my photos and everything, but I've seemed to lose those somehow. But nevertheless, if you're still with me and you enjoy the post, please like, share, and subscribe. But at the end of the day, no matter what the kit is, use your imagination, turn plastic into your vision, and enjoy the bench. Thanks for watching.